Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, guys. As you can see, the major action already has happened on the markets due to the dovish comments from the Fed and decision from the Fed on the keeping rate unchanged. So today probably we will get some kind of the relief session when the investors will probably stay aside from the markets and just think what we could get next. But the major idea that currently stand on the market is that the rate definitely will not be hiked in the October, since from current meeting and to the next meeting in October there will be just very small period of time, and there will be no significant statistics that could change the Fed view on the markets. And the last hope, since in November will be flat month without meeting, so the last hope for the possible rate hiking stands on the December in the current year. And currently, as if you have seen the voting process on the Fed on the rate hiking, you can see that the number of the representatives who was voting for the rate rising have decreased. And now the question whether Fed will rise rate in 2015 is also stands in the front of the on the discussions. So that's why it's probably situation becomes even more bluer than it was yesterday. And but in the short-term perspective, as I said, the action to the upside has started. Our setup mostly have worked on the euro currency. As you can see, the jump up was really not bad, and there is still some potential for the further upward action. Euro could move slightly higher by the momentum that right now exists on the market. Because yesterday we said that the minimum target that market could hit stands approximately at 115 area, somewhere in this level. We'll see on the 4-hour time frame chart this with the more detail. But right now on the here, as I said, we mostly will be looking for the harmonic action. So take a look again what we have discussed. Trend is bullish right now. I will delete this indicator to keep chart clear. Also, market is not at overbought right now. So what we have initially: first swing up retracement, upward action acceleration right to the upper border, upward action acceleration up to the upper border, drop lower here again, and this upward action that we have right now, this upward action also. This upward action, following the logic of this motion, should not reach the upper border before leg down. So hence we think that the market could stop somewhere in this range. The first target stands at 115, but if you will take a look from this A, B, C bottom, D extension, it could move even slightly higher to the 116 area. So 115, 116 is the levels that we will be watching for. But following current logic, it seems the 115 looks very probable of the possible ending of this leg to the upside, and at least this will be really strong resistance, and we should watch for this level first. Take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart. You'll see the reasons why I think so. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, we have this ABCD that we have discussed yesterday. A, B, C bottom. It's 115.15 area. It's resistance. 618 extension. Also, guys, here we have currently A, B, C bottom, D action. AB equals CD, and you can see that the CD leg is much faster than AB. And it means that market probably will reach the 1618 target definitely, but even could follow the upward action. That's why we do not totally abandon the idea of possible action to the 618 extension, but not from that point, but from the a bit lower point, from this one point, taking the A point here. In this case, it will give us the 116 target. Anyway, right now we will be watching for this resistance. Because that could become the first major barrier, and simultaneously that will become probably the target of the current upward action. So right now market has stopped a bit on the weekly pivot resistance one. Now we're struggling with this level, but potentially it should reach area around 115.15 because this is, as I said, 618. This is ABCD target, and that's, guys, 618 resistance of this most recent move down. So this will be the agreement resistance, and the we could say even the some kind of the double agreement. So this will be from the minor ABCD and from the big one ABCD. Also this will be agreement, and as a result we could get some kind of the Gartner's 222 sell, thrust down, ABCD retracement. This is Gartner 222 pattern. That will be the first level that we'll be watching for. That's why on the hourly chart, guys, I have planned some few levels to watch for if you are thinking about possible taking the long position, scalp long. If you intend to trade market right now, I just would like to remind you that you should trade it on the long side, because we do not have bearish directional patterns, because only direction could overrule the trend and could cancel the trend. But we have the trend on the long side, so we have the weekly and daily trend that stands bullish. Probably on the 4-hour time frame chart, it's probably also bullish. Let's go check this. Right, it's also bullish here, so you should catch the opportunity for taking the long position. Also, guys, take a look how market worked with this our yesterday patterns. So we have discussed this. This butterfly we have discussed. The market has completed 127 extension. Recall what we have said yesterday. It's interesting. So market has completed 127 butterfly, then shows retracement. And we said if market will show retracement somehow after completion the butterfly, you could try to take the long position. But this, of course, is just by the back mind right now. But anyway, it just shows how technical analysis works, and it's really very interesting to watch for. Anyway, if you have intention to take the long position, you probably the better level right now to watch for is 113.50 area, because this is the confluence, and it's not as deep as this confluence support is 134, because this confluence stands right at the bottom of this thrust, and it suggests that market should erase this thrust totally, and probably in the current situation it should not happen. That's why the confluence in the middle of the thrust looks more preferable. Also, guys, take a look. This confluence coincides with this previous top, and this brings additional support to this area. And finally, market is not at overbought right now, and market right now already stands above the 618 target of this ABCD pattern. So market right now stands between the 618 and 100%. It means that in such circumstances, market should not show deep retracements. The only retracement that market could show is just either minor 1384, say BCD small, for example, retracement will be, or to this confluence. And the chance that market will show retracement right to this confluence stands really small. Well, that's in fact all that we could say about euro currency. Just keep watching how market will reach this area. It's around 115, and after that, so probably we will understand what to expect next.